About His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit's media conference yesterday, as appears on Diviner.com, which is a Sinhala newspaper. Here, actually, I think the Cardinal Ranjit is purposefully, foolishly, wasting the time of Sri Lankan people by raising these questions and answering these questions by the media. Because, the thing is, Cardinal Ranjit knows that Sri Lankan politicians are foolish. That's why these issues come through press conference, so-called press conferences, because they know Sri Lankan politicians are so stupid and foolish, and this is why His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit do this. Now here you can see in this discussion, His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit says that the former Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera, he has mentioned that there is a big conspiracy between this whole Easter carnage and therefore there must be a proper observation and investigation to find out the truth about it, or truth about it. So then at that time the media posed a question. These are planted media people who are being asked to ask this question now. The planted media person asked, don't you know before Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera got retirement, after only the retirement, he says about this, right? That there is a big conspiracy, PD, all this stuff. Actually, retired Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera mentioned this statement that there is a big conspiracy between the Easter carnage only after his retirement. So the same question planted media person asked from Cardinal Ranjit. Then the Cardinal Ranjit give a prepared answer, or whatever the answer he gives, that he had given this statement actually the thing is this. It's like this Attorney General, former Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera has mentioned this, that there is a big conspiracy between the Easter carnage, behind the Easter carnage. Actually, just before his retirement, that is the correct situation, not after retirement, rather, as I said, it just before the retirement only, just before pending retirement only, former Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera Silva mentioned about a big conspiracy behind the Easter carnage. So when Cardinal Ranjit make it issue in the press conference, the planted media person asked, why do you raise that issue? From this media journalist asked from the Cardinal Ranjit Malcolm, why do you raise this issue now after this former Attorney General, of course, Dappulli de Rivera had retired. So if the former Attorney General Dappulli de Rivera honestly said there was a big conspiracy behind the Easter carnage during his time of office, but just before the retirement, well, that of course then correctly, as this media person asked, which is the fourth pillar of the democracy, Cardinal Ranjit must have taken up at that time, no? When, Dappulli de Rivera just before retirement only, he said, no, why Cardinal Ranjit His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit did not raise it at that time and now talk about it after. So, Cardinal, this Attorney General has retired. So this question, Cardinal Ranjit says, we want like a, he says, okay, His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit says, not only that, but still we have mentioned about such a thing before. That means, the former Attorney General who retired before retirement has said there's a big conspiracy behind the Easter carnage. But then Cardinal Ranjit did not relate to that statement at that time made by Attorney General when he was holding office, right? But he, according to the fourth pillar of the democracy, the media, the question posed to him is, why do you discuss about it now after his retirement? Then, because Cardinal Ranjit specifically did not pick it up when the Attorney General of Sri Lanka, just before retirement, mentioned that there is a big conspiracy. He did not, but he rather avoided the answer here. Cardinal Ranjit, His Eminence Cardinal Ranjit Sen said, no, we also said that there's a big conspiracy behind this. So that is Cardinal Ranjit and the Roman Catholic of Sri Lanka and the Roman Catholic Vatican headquarters, church headquarters, we Cardinal Ranjit failed here to raise and take forward when former Attorney General during his time of holding office said there is a big conspiracy behind Easter Carnage. He did not take it up now, at that point even, right? He did not specifically took it up, right? He did not take it up rather, but he discussed it now. And now he says when this planted media who's asked to ask this question, then he says, no, we have discussed about such a conspiracy. So his viewpoint about the conspiracy is biased, no, because he's the head of the Roman Catholic Church and he's a representative, the political leader, the Pope of the Roman Catholic religion, political religion in Vatican State. He did not refer particularly to the, Attorney General's disclosure at that time when he was holding office. He did not specifically raise this issue. No, this leads to the conclusion that the Roman Catholic Church and the Roman Catholic Church of Vatican and Roman Catholic Sri Lanka had a hand in carrying out the Easter Carnival, and they knew it, and that's why it's part of a big, like a strategy of the Roman Catholic of Sri Lanka to piggy right on Sri Lankan domestic family political issues. That's why that time, for the first, nearly after 100 years, at that time I think Pope Benedict for the first time resigned, from the Roman Catholic Church, right? He resigned from the Pope Benedict, and then that paved the way for Pope Francis later, because that is the time there was a, I had to face adultery in my family by my former wife, ex-wife. So this shows the Roman Catholic Church tried to piggy ride on my family, knowing my commitment to protect the country, and then they tried to destroy churches. And here, and to destroy this country by sidelining my service to the country, which they failed because they went on belief rather than going on certain moral principle way of life.